Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a what is in my Pochette Metis. I felt like this was well overdue. I haven't filmed one in a while, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love filming what's in my purses, what's in my bag, whatever you want to call it. So I decided today would be the perfect day to film one because it's been so long and so overdue. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what is inside of it. But before we get started into today's video, I would like to say if you could please subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much. And honestly, I would love to interact with more people too. So yeah, if you guys would like to see what is in my Pochette Metis, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is my Pochette Metis. This is obviously by Louis Vuitton. You can tell by from the title. This bag I purchased, I believe, in February of this year. February or March. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it was February though. No, I think it was like January. I don't know. Anyways, I did an unboxing on this, I believe. So I'll link that like up top for you guys so you guys could check that out. I've had my eye on this bag for about 3 years. It took me a while to actually pull the plug and get it. Now I should have done it previously before because I think when they first came out it was like $1,600. When I bought it, it was $2,200. But I love splurging on handbags because I take very good care of them. I've always been obsessed with handbags since I was a child. So I only like to buy myself these once in a while. I'm not going to have like 50 bags, you know, like even I have my Neverfull and I barely use that too just because they're so expensive and I like to take good care of them. But I've been using this one a lot more. I like it. I was looking for the perfect crossbody bag for me and finally I was like, you know what, I'm just going to treat myself to it. So I bought it. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. It has gold hardware. And it has a flip up and then it has a zipper in the back along with the crossbody strap that is adjustable and then a top handle right here. Sometimes I do grab at this but not too often. It does have some like raindrops kind of on it that are stained, like you can't really tell too much so it doesn't bother me as much. But it's starting to patina, which makes me sad. The sides aren't patinaing too much, but right here is, and as well as this. So yeah, let's jump into what's inside of it. I don't want to spend too much time on that, on the details of the bag. So it has two big compartments, 1, 2, and then the back compartment, but I don't put anything in that back. I'd forget about it if I put it back there. So I don't like to jam pack this up too much because I don't want it to stretch the leather out. Is it leather or canvas? I think it's a canvas. I don't want it to stretch it out too much to where you can tell over time. So I try not to stuff it too much with anything, just to keep the shape well. So let's jump into the first pocket that I have right there. I'm going to try to hold it up because I know a lot of people like to actually see the bag. So the first thing I have in here that I'm pulling out is my Gucci sunglasses. This isn't the original case it came with. I have the hard shell case, but it's too big for me to put in that bag. I mean, it'll fit in there, but it's like I said, it's really bulky. So these are my Gucci sunglasses. I love them. They're just super glam. I like them a lot. These are my favorite ones, and they're black. Black's my favorite color. And sunglasses. I did have a pair of Ray-Bans that I normally would carry in that bag, but fortunately I lost them. I think I left them at a gas station, so that was definitely a bummer. But yeah, I always carry these with me, especially during the summertime. It's super bright out. So yeah. Then in that first pocket I have my key to my Mercedes. It's not hooked on a keychain yet. I really just want like one keychain on it, like maybe like something for the wrist, but I want to get the Louis Vuitton one. I'm just still trying to convince myself if I really should spend $300 on that. I just think it seems really unreasonable for something that's like that big, so I don't think I'm going to get it but I really want it. But yeah, so I have this case cover on it that I got from Amazon, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, so it's really cool. Josh was like, wow, that's a cool keychain cover, and I was like, thanks. Then I have my Louis Vuitton key clay, 6-ring key holder. So as you can tell, it's pretty beat up. The button's all scratched off. I've had it for, I think, like almost 3 years now, or 2 years now. So it opens up like this. It has 6 keys on it. I have the key to my Tahoe. My Tahoe's like not the newest ones, but it's a pretty new Tahoe. And for some reason, I think because I have an LT, you get a key like this, like you don't get push start, which I'm cool with this, you know. I actually prefer this over the push start. And then also I have on the second loop, I have the key to the office, to my dad's office. And then the third key ring, I have my mailbox key and my house key. And then the other keys, I'm not entirely sure what they are for. But they're on there, so they must be important. And then it has like this little pocket in the back, so I think that's super cool because I like to carry my ID and stuff in there. If I'm using my Tahoe, I'll just put my ID, or even like I was carrying my Mercedes key on it, but it's just like would fall off, so I just took it completely off. But yeah, so if I'm in a rush or something, I'll throw my what is it called? So if I'm in a rush, I'll throw my like ID and bank card in here if I'm like taking the Tahoe. But I do carry this around because it has my house key, office key, very important stuff on there. Okay, let's see what else is in that first pocket. Oh, I have my Chanel compact mirror. I love this mirror. It's super sleek, thin, and it gets the job done. So I carry that around too a lot because I do wear lipstick, so it's nice to have for touch-ups. Now in the second area, I have my Chanel travel spray. I have a big bottle of this, but this is nice to keep around because it twists up like that, and then you can just spray yourself. And it came with 2 refillable ones, so you just pull it up like that. So I'm gonna need to refill soon, but this has lasted me quite some time. It is pretty beat up because when I had my dog Bandit, when she was a puppy, she like got a hold of this and was like chewing on it. So it's pretty beat up, but this was pretty expensive. I think it was like $120, but it does come with 2 other refillable sprays. So which is nice. I try to use this up before my actual bottle because I do end up grabbing my bottle more than this. So yeah, I end up grabbing my bigger bottle sometimes when I'm in a rush, but I do like to carry this around just to refreshen up throughout the day. And I'll link what I can down in the description box. Actually I'll link it all in my like to know it. So I'll link my like to know it down below so you guys could follow me on there, and then I'll have everything that's in here linked on my like to know it. So yeah. Next up is a Dove deodorant. I like to carry this around, like I said, just to, like I said previously for the perfume, just to freshen up throughout the day, especially with it being summer, you know. Gets pretty hot. So yeah, I have this. This is just a travel size, and it's pretty tiny, and it fits in my purse very good. And it doesn't take up too much room. So next, let's see, I have 2 tampons. I'm on my days, so that's the only time I will carry those around. And then I have my Apple AirPods Pros or whatever. I like to carry these around with me because I never know when I'm gonna need them. If I like plan to go to or if I like decide randomly like, oh, I want to go to the nail salon, these are great to have with you. Or say if I'm like out in public waiting at somewhere for something like an oil change, these are nice to carry with me so I can listen to music, watch YouTube videos, all that good jazz. Also, the case is by Kate Spade. I purchased this at Target. Alrighty, and then I have my iPhone. I have the 11 Pro Max. This is what it looks like. And then my case is from Target. It's just a super plain pink one, and it's already peeling at the bottom. But yeah, so this is my phone. Super simple, you know, nothing crazy. Then I have my rose water and ivy hand sanitizer. Gotta carry this stuff around. Next, I have my Too Faced Melted Matte. This is in the color Child Star. My bad. This is in Child Star. This is in the color Child Star. It's actually what I'm wearing right now, if you guys are wondering. Too Faced Melted Matte lipsticks. They stay on pretty much all day, and it's matte lipstick. I really like the matte look. I don't like glossy. So yeah, got that. And then I think this is the last thing I have, which is my Louis Vuitton Emily wallet, I believe. Yeah, it has a pink button right there, and then it opens up like this. Pink inside. I have like no cash or anything. I don't like to carry cash around with me, but I do have these $10 off Topgolf coupons, 3 of them, so that's pretty cool. And then it has like a zip right there, so I love this wallet. It's super pretty, and it's my favorite one. Yeah, this is it. Okay guys, so that is all that is in my crossbody bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I might do one soon on my Neverfull, because I've also been carrying that around lately. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Like to Know It, so you could see everything that is in my purse. And if you were interested in purchasing any of those, my Like to Know It will have a direct link to where you can get these items. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.